During a 5-year period of constant inflation, the value of a $100,000 property will increase according to this equation. V equals 100,000 times e to the 0.05 t. Now you see your 100,000, that's your initial amount, and that will always happen in this type of problem. What will be the value of the property in 5 years? Well, in 5 years, t equals 5. So you can use the equation and just substitute a 5 in for t if you would like, but I'm going to go ahead and graph it. So I have put y equals 100,000 e to the 0.05x into my calculator, and I need to set a window. Now we know that the x minimum has to be 0. That's when the property is new. And you can choose any value for x maximum. I just chose 25 because I've lived in my house 25 years, so a good amount of time you can predict. So then you're going to press zoom 0, and there's the graph of our equation. When will the value of the property, what will the value of the property be in 5 years? All you have to do is trace 5, and you get $128,402.54. And that's the same thing you'd get if you would substitute 5 in for t in the equation. Now, use a table or graph, and that's why I graphed it, because we need to use it to estimate when this property will double in value. Well, if it doubled in value, it went from 100,000 times 2, it went to $200,000. So I'm going to go into my window, make sure that y is larger than 200,000, and mine's at 349,000 and some. So that should be okay. So I'll go to y equals, and I'll put in 200,000 for my y2 and graph. And just like the last example we did, we want to find the intersection of those two graphs. So second, calc, intersect, enter, enter, enter. And I get 13.9 years. So approximately you have to have the house 13.9 years according to this equation in order for the value of the house to double. Now let's go into just the regular calculator, and let's do our 100,000 times e to the 0.5 or 0.05 times 5. And you can see that we get our 128,402.54 if you do it that way. But you'll need to use a table or a graph to determine when that will double in value.